What's up, y'all? This is RL Redneck 16 here with the survival. What I take as my bare minimal survival. All this stuff will pack into this little thing here. So I'm just gonna start off over here. First off, we have a survival whistle. Has a compass. It also has, if you can get it out, it's a little difficult. It's a magnifier glass that can be used to start fires if you have tinder. Then you have your normal compass. It's a normal mapping compass, but you gotta make sure you know exactly where you're going because not all compasses are correct. I carry, this isn't the pocket knife I carry, but this one stays in there. It's mostly serrated, so I use it as kind of like a saw. We got to your first aid kit. You don't have to have a major first aid kit because hopefully you're not going to fall off a cliff or anything. So I just keep some band-aids, some gauze, chapstick. I also keep a little multi-tool in there with a little flashlight. It's a bright one. Pretty nice. Then you move on to your flint and steel with your can opener, your whistle, and your flint and steel. This thing's nice. It goes pretty hot. All you do is scrape off the magnesium, and you got your tinder. Carry a little flashlight. I have multiple flashlights in my hunting pack, but you just carry this flashlight. Keep the batteries out of it because you don't want it to start getting acid. Keep some super glue. You never know when you're going to need super glue. You can use it to, if you cut your arm, you can use it to stitch yourself up. You can repair your shelter. You can make a shelter. I have duct tape. I did what's called credit card it, so it makes it nice and slim. It's a nice half a roll of duct tape right here. So that fits, and it's Gorilla Glue duct tape, so it's strong for anything you might need. Then you move on to your matches with the match striker inside. It's waterproof. It's good for a lot of situations, just in case any means of fire fails. Then you got two. These are a lot bigger than the emergency blankets you normally buy, but they're nice. One can be used to put on me, and the ones to put on a shelter, or you can use them both for a shelter. It's not really cold because I live in Florida, so it don't get that cold. Then you have what's called moleskin. Moleskin is if you get a blister on your foot, you cut it to size, and then you put it on that hot spot before it gets to a blister, and it's nice and soft when you're out hiking. Now in Florida we have a lot of trouble with rattlesnakes and other snakes, so it's a waterproof snake bite kit. It's got some antibacterial stuff. Then you got a blade in there to cut where it is. You also have a lanyard to put around your neck if you really wanted to carry it around your neck. Then you get on to the my survival lighter. Got a compass. It's very nice. It's got I took some excess paracord, wrapped it around as a lanyard, so I can use paracord for anything. I'll put it around my neck, or I can use the paracord if need be. Here's my paracord bracelets I wear out. It's about 16 feet each. Really nice. And another means of fire fails, you got your Bic lighter. It's not that good, but it'll work. And here you got your Carmex. You can coat it in your cotton balls. Your cotton balls will light right up. I need to put some more cotton balls in there, but you want to keep a lot of stuff. One thing I don't have in here that I'm going to put in here is tin foil. You can take tin foil, cut it, put it down, put your if it's wet on the ground, put your tinder on it, and light it. I have tinder somewhere, I forgot where I put it. Here's another little multi-tool. Scissors, nail clippers. Hygiene's always a good thing. Then you have your basic survival skills. It's a little book. It's actually a little kid's book, but it works. Then I got the two knives I carry. I got Frost one that I normally carry. It's nice and sharp. Got survival cord on it, so I can untie that and use it. I got the Bear Grylls survival knife, which I have on a review. It's got a magnesium stick like that is. And then you may be thinking, where's your sharpener? Well, you got a sharpener on the back. I can sharpen my pocket knives, my regular knives, anything I need to be sharpened at that point. And all this is waterproof. So it all fits in that little container, so just all else fails, grab your backpack, grab it, ditch your backpack, grab it, and go. Other thing I am going to put in here is water tablets, just in case you can't boil water. You want to take the water tablets and put it in there, so it all fits nice and neat in here. I'm not going to show you how I put it in, but that's all.